Starbucks right now. This is a mini ice drink because I can never finish the other ones, so I was like, I'm gonna get the smallest one. What'd you get?
I got a freaking vanilla zero sugar latte.
Boring.
In today's video, we got ourselves a brand new car for my wife, and check it out. This thing's a beast. Really nice daily. And then before we get started, introduce us to today's sponsor of the video.
So the sponsor for today's video is Rimthin Official. Shout out to them for the RCJ bulbs.
Give us the specifications. What is it about?
Lumen is 16,000 LM. That's a lot. That's very, very bright, which is good. You want your headlights to be very bright when you're driving at night, and so you can see better, pretty much. Lifespan is 50,000 hours, which is pretty much
The lifetime of your car?
Yeah, pretty much the lifetime of your car. And then warranty is 1 year, so.
Any problems, you let them know. 1 year warranty, click the link down below. And we're gonna show you guys how these headlights look on the car. We're gonna install the bulbs.
Alrighty, let's do it.
Nice LED. Yeah, they're gonna be so much nicer than these. Your vision ain't the best. It's gonna help you see at night.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, guys, check it out. Driving at night, you can see the road perfectly. No weird illusions, nothing like that. I mean, these headlights are nice and bright thanks to the bulbs. So shout out to Rimthin once again for sponsoring today's video, and let's get back at it. All right, so tell me what you like about the car.
Question is what I don't like about the car.
Oh, damn.
Everything about the car,
It's
dude.
sick.
Like, look at this thing. This thing is sick. This is a beast. I'm gonna start it.
Yeah, let's get it
Back.
started.
Let's see.
Dang, nice and sporty. Put it in the sport mode. Put it in the sport mode, give it a little burble.
Where's this one? Oh.
And just give it a little rev. Dang, that's sick.
Yeah.
It's all stock under here, nice and clean. No signs of oil leaks, no nothing like that. Coolant temperature is good. Got these nice upgraded wheels. They're a little curb back because she was at Starbucks this morning.
What?
Smoke tail lights as it comes stock. I guess let's go on the drive and get your honest reaction.
Yeah, let's do it.
I gotta put my seatbelt on for this though.
Yeah, buckle up.
Yeah. Full brake? Yes. Okay, now let go. Let go and just floor it. Go. And upshift. Pretty cool?
Yeah. Hey.
Like it.
I like it in sports mode. Wait, I'm not a manual. Now I am. Well, first I thought you were recording my forehead. I was like, damn, boy.
Damn, girl, you crazy. On the way to Jacob's shop, check out what's in front of me. It's a M5 wagon. Oh, it just took off. All right, guys, we're pulling in to Jacob's shop. Jacob just got himself a brand new, well, new to him, an E90 M3. Let's go check this thing out. Sheesh. We got the man, the myth, the legend.
No 10, you know.
How are you,
man?
dude?
Good.
Always smelling fresh. What you got on today?
I don't even know. I think it's
Little dude, show us what you got.
truck or the?
Nah, we're here for the M3, dude. Yeah. Sheesh, brother. How you liking it so far? Because I know you have the E92. How do you like the E90?
E92 is probably better.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Looks better in my opinion.
Yeah, looks wise.
Yeah.
Give us a cold start, brother. Oh, this thing is bone stock. Really quiet. What are we gonna do to it, Jacob? What are you gonna do?
Full straight pipe.
Straight pipe that thing. Is gonna scream. This S55 motor. I used to have one back in the day, and man, ooh, best sounding V8 out there, hands down. You wanna let it warm up a little bit? And
Oh, it's warm.
Oh, it's already warmed up?
Yeah.
Cool if we go on a little test drive? Let's do it. Man, I miss this interior. Out of all the Beamers you had, which one do you like the most?
Probably the M5.
The M5,
Yeah.
F90, and then which one?
Or F80.
And then E92, and then
Yeah,
this?
that's probably just at the bottom.
Oh, dang. Yeah. Dang, these shifts are really nice. Dang, this is fun.
Even for stock, it doesn't sound bad.
Oh, yeah.
Still, like, how's that?
Yeah, that.
Get my dad pissed off real quick.
Dang. Oh. Oh, boy. Now that's a nice sound right there. Oh my gosh. Revs out to 8,200. Whew.
Manual motor right now? Or?
Mode, manual mode. Yes.
It feels big.
It feels pretty fast, yeah?
Yeah, that's quick.
Yeah. Feel downshift too.
That's
Fast.
Yeah, that's fast.
PDK right there.
You get a little muffler delete.
It would be nice. It's a burble stock.
Like when you downshift or you just.
Like if you like let off and like from outside you can hear it. Inside you can't really hear it. It's like someone offering him $500 for the wheels. Full brake and full gas. Full gas. No, hold on. Yes.
Oh, like that?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
full
How
all
long
the way.
do I hold it for?
Like a second or two and just let go of brake.
Yeah.
Not bad, eh?
That's pretty good.
Not bad for an SUV.
Yeah, it puts you in your seat.
Yeah. Oh, that thing is sick though. Well, Jacob, thanks for letting me check out the E90.
Of course.
That thing is sick, bro. And then I'll catch you in another episode.
Yeah.
See ya, bro.
Boom.